Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how to group two images in Microsoft Word. First, import the images. Click on Insert, Picture, this device. Import the first image. Again click on Insert and import the second picture. So first you need to get the images movable. So for this you need to right click on the image and go to the wrap tags and click on the square. Now you can move the image anywhere on the page. Similar process to the second image. Right click, wrap tags, click on square, make it short, and now you can place image on the second image, but you need to do is again right click and you need to click on the bring to front, and here you can see that the image is in front of the second image, and you can adjust the position of the image according to your requirement. You can also rotate it. Now click the shift button and select both image, and then right click, and now you will see that group option is available. Now you have to click the group. Now you can see that both images have been grouped and you can move anywhere on the page. If you want to ungroup and change the position of the second images, what you have to do is again right click and you need to click on the ungroup. Now you can change the position of the second image, and then again click the shift button and select the both image, right click and click on the group, and now both images are again grouped. So in this way you can easily group two images in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful and you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.